Hello guys, welcome to my channel where we look at mastering YouTube growth, design hacks, and then some successful strategies that really works. Today we are diving into a must-know skill for every YouTuber, how to make a beautiful thumbnail using Canva and then this APK. There is an APK that I'm going to show you. Whether you are a beginner or looking to upgrade your thumbnail game, this tutorial will walk you through step by step on how to design an eye-catching, click-worthy thumbnails using these two powerful tools. So the first one I'm going to show you is Canva, which I believe we already know what and how Canva is. And then the second one I'm going to use is that of the APK for advanced editing tricks. Stay tuned as we delve into this. You can see for the first time, if you are using Canva, you just go to the website and then you create an account. So that's the first thing, or the first step that you have to do. You have to head over to Canva website and then you create an account, just as I'm doing. So stay with me as I create my account. So you click sign up, or you click either this sign up or start design. So let's say sign up, and then you create with an email. So let's say our email, let me just quickly put that. So I just finished creating the account. So after creating your account, you head over to templates, this place, and then you click under the templates whatever thumbnail that you want to create. So for instance, I want to create a thumbnail for food. So let's say food thumbnail. Okay, so as you can see, we have over 10,000 templates on the niche, the food niche. I search, I'm just using food niche as an example, and so you just go through which one you are okay with. If the design appeals you, you just look at it and then you choose that one. You have to look at a thumbnail that is bold, that is high contrast template, and that when people just look at it, they would say, wow, I really need to watch this. So I think something like this. Yes, I like something like this. So I'll click on this one and then I'll go to customize this template, where I can add a little finishing touches to it. So I can edit to suit the style that I want, remove some of the text and put in the correct ones that I want to actually put. So maybe today, let's say we're going to talk about pizza. I believe we all love to have pizza. So let's say chicken pizza. So you can reduce the fonts and adjust it to meet the standard that you also use, like chicken pizza. And so this particular picture might not necessarily help us with a chicken pizza. So with this, we will just open a new tab, get some chicken pizza. So okay, wonderful. So we can just click on tools and change the usage rights to Creative Commons licenses, where we are permitted to use or reuse any of these images. So maybe this one is okay. I like this. So quickly, I'll just visit the site. Once it falls under Creative Commons, you can actually pick that image and use it for So you just click here to download and use it for your editing. So the pizza is looking very delicious, though it's not real, but we'll just manage with that. Okay, so it's downloaded. We go back to Canva, we click on uploads, and then we add the image that we downloaded for pizza. Okay, so we'll just bring this one here, adjust to it. So let's say we can take the background, so we can click on this background remover, which will automatically take the background away. Okay, so now it's looking perfect. We can just expand this, and then let's continue with our editing. So we can just change this. Since we are using it for our thumbnail, we can just give it a proper concise text that will catch the viewer. So chicken pizza for good health, you can just take for good health away and then put chicken pizza I love to taste. I love to taste always. So we can just expand this a little and push it somewhere here. Yep. So guys, this is one of the best way to design your thumbnail using Canva. There are a lot of things in Canva, but then somebody might ask, we have a free version of Canva and then we have a paid version of Canva. So you just have to get I would advise that you get the paid version, the pro version. So let's quickly check. How much is going to cost for being on a paid version. So you can actually use the free version. So with the free version, these are some of the features, and then we have the paid version. You can also send me an interested comment that you want to be part of the pro version. I will actually guide you and help you to achieve this. But then if the paid version is much expensive for you, you can ignore this very first approach and then use the second approach. And so I'm going to show you the second approach. Okay, so we are moving on to the second app that can help you make fantastic thumbnails. So as you can see, my phone is being projected on the screen, and so let's head to the installation. So for instance, if you have the app already, you just need to open it and then start using it. But if you don't have it, just send me a notification. I will just quickly look at it and then drop the app purposely for you so that you can use it to design fantastic thumbnails. And so this is the app. Credit to Dr. Fafa. He's one of the amazing gurus who has come up with such a wonderful app. He's a developer, then he's doing wonders. Guys, I've been able to install the app. The app is installed on my phone. So what I'll do is I'll just open the app and then go to thumbnail templates. That is where I need to go. Thumbnail template, because I want to make thumbnails. You go to my thumbnails when you have already started doing some designs there. But if it is your first time you are now coming to design, you don't have to go anywhere than thumbnail template. So I'll just click. If you really want to do a whole different thing altogether, you can also click on custom, which is the plus sign with the red symbol there. You can also do that. But for now, we just want to look at what the app has for us. So we will just go with the thumbnail template. So we click on it, and so you look at your niche. I think with the first example we demonstrated on food, where we said chicken pizza, and then we were so amazed about that. Let's look at what this app has for us, some of the sample templates. So you can see there are so many templates for each niche. So you just have to find the perfect one that will work for you. So so you can click on this. Fantastic. You click and then you wait. Your data has to be on because it's actually going to pick from online. So your data has to be on. And then, so guys, wow, this how the thumbnail looks like. Okay, this is how the thumbnail looks like. And so you have the option to add your own text. So you can add your own text here. So you can click on add text as you see down there. If you want to add a sticker, you can do so. You can work on the effects, or you can even change the background. So there are options that allows you to do changes to the default design that they are giving you. If you don't like the font, you can quickly change the font style. You can change the font size. You can change the font color and all that. You can reduce the size just as I'm doing. You can see I'm reducing the size just to make my design look perfect. Okay, so you just have to use the either minus or plus to either reduce or enlarge the size. You can change the font to the idea is to get a clean bold text. So I like this one. I think this one is perfect for me. I just have to reduce the size and then reposition it to balance the design that I want so that it will look awesome. So I just push the remaining text to be in line. This time around you can just adjust them the way you want it. You just have to be a little advanced in putting your text so that it looks clearer and bolder enough for a viewer to view from afar. You can as well check the add text where you can add your own text. So for me, I want to add 2025 so that it will be red makeup tips and tricks 2025. And then I change the font. I don't like this font. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, yes, perfect. I like this font, but then the color is bad, so I need to work on the color. And so something like yellow would be perfect, just as the background has yellow. Okay, so that's a perfect color combination there. So you can as well reposition it to read any way you want it. It is not static, it's not rigid. You can adjust it at any point in time. So I just want to increase the size to meet up with the remaining text. How I've structured it, yes, I like it this way. Perfect. You just have to rearrange them in a way that would read visibly. Okay, so after you are done, you click the export icon at the very top right corner, and then you have the option to save, share, and then upload to YouTube. But then I will advise you that you save it first. So just click on save it to the device that you are working on, and then later when you are done editing the remaining videos, the audios, your tags, your description, everything that you would want to, so far as uploading your final video is concerned, then you can go and pick the thumbnail that you saved, add it to your uploads, and then that you are good to go. So at this point, I've saved it. I'm just going to re-upload them after I'm done editing the remaining. This is how you can come up with a catchy thumbnail, a beautiful thumbnail, a thumbnail that would attract more views and give you more subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and then comment in the comment section.